what are you telling me, people? Welcome back to another video with me, Exploring with Ads. In today's video, I've just ridden quite far away. I'm not saying where I am. I've just arrived at the Abandoned Farmhouse. This is the way in. As you can see, literally, it looks like a fucking turn in. But I'm going for this straight away, people. There's cars coming, so I don't really want to be seen. I just want to get in there. I was going to lock my bike up, but let's just fucking go. Whoa, look at the size of this. Right, I think my bike would be cool here. Alright, well, here we are, people. Give me 1 minute. I need to take a piss badly. I've literally just ridden like God knows how many miles. Right, people, and we're back. I fucking had my piss. I took the advantage and got some pictures in the process. I thought I'd record off the GoPro on my head mount, and I've got my light just to brighten shit up because it looks like it's going to be a pretty dark one in there. Let's go for this. Look how much nature has taken its toll. This is the one where nature has just literally well and truly overtaken. Mental. Have a little look on the outside here. Well, yeah, only added in a couple of pictures at the beginning, as you just see, before I started my intro, because I just want you to actually see it in person instead of seeing a load of pictures up front straight away. I just thought, yeah, well, let's go for this. Crazy. I don't know if there's going to be, whoa, a lot to see, but look at this, people. Little sofa in there. Still got the old fireplace. I don't know any information about this place, people. I haven't got a clue. I just see a video on someone's channel, and he came here, so I thought, hey, it's not stupidly far away from me. I can bike there easily enough. Shame there's no basement. And yeah, I just went for it and came here. This would have originally been an electric cupboard. And this is an old farmhouse as far as I know. Heard sound then, people. Could be birds, they might have a nest. Or could be rats in the walls, I ain't got a fucking clue. That sounds creepy. This is what's left of the kitchen. Let me just do one thing and make sure you are recording. Look at it, people. Crazy. I'm trying to bring in some mad explorers. This is a bit of a mad one. It's like literally, it's fucked by vandals. There's a amount of graffiti in here, and nature's definitely taking its toll. Yeah, it's pretty much fucked. Sounds a bit creepy, but let's carry on finishing this. There's going to be a lot to see, but realised I should have a mask on. But yeah, this was the kitchen. Look at the state of this, people. Just like a little pan of the room. old like conservatory. This would have like been the back garden. My bike's over there. Yeah, I can just see the shininess of the pedal. As I said, it's been completely smashed. Nature's taking its toll. I'm gonna whack you back on my head. I don't know if I do want to fucking go upstairs because of how severe the damage is up there. But there's only one way to find out, people. Let me just go and investigate, go and explore and find out. Alright. Let's go for this, people. That looks fucking crazy. Not going to be a long video, this one. Stairs look alright. Yeah. See that, look at them. I'm risking it, people. But nah, I don't even know if I want to go up there. Whoa. Sofa's nearly coming through the fucking floor. Yeah, I don't want to go there, people. You can see the extent of the damage for yourself. There's literally no tiles on the roof. I think that said it all. But I know it ain't been much of an explore, people, but I'm trying to come out with as many of the explores as I can. Obviously, I do only cycle, so I can't get out there. Obviously, I know of loads and loads and loads of places outside of Oxford, but I can't really get to them because I don't drive. I know, yeah, if anyone puts in the comments, you could always jump on the train, organise a lift. I have had lift to places before, but yeah, in the train, me doing my exploring, I want it to be like as free as possible, you know what I mean? Like, I cycle everywhere. I don't want to have to pay to go and explore somewhere that's abandoned, you know what I mean? Like, so a little walk round. My fair old bike ride back now. Call it an hour bike ride, that's roughly what it just took me. But this is the conservatory bit. All I'm saying is, there is something here, but luckily it closes at 7. It's now about 20:44, so 8:44, people. Wednesday the 11th of August. So let's crack on and finish this little explore. Just a little walk kind of the outside. I know it wasn't much to see, people. I'm not gutted. Could have been better. Could have already been demolished, so it could have turned out to have me getting here and it to have been literally fuck all rubble. Keep my light on for a bit because it is pretty dark. We'll walk around this way. Ooh, big fucking pothole. If anybody ever wonders what that beep sound is, every now and then when I'm recording off the GoPro, it's me literally just lighting the screen back up so I can see to make sure I'm getting literally everything I need on footage. But I ain't gonna bother going around there. But people, this has been me exploring the abandoned farmhouse. There ain't been a lot to see unfortunately, but there's always other explores to come in the future. But people, as I always say, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to leave a comment, let me know what you think of the place, and if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. As you know, it's completely free. There's no subscription cost, nothing. YouTube ain't like that, it's free. You hit the subscribe button, hit the little notification bell, and boom, you'll be notified as and when I make and upload future videos. But I hope you've enjoyed exploring with ads at this mad-ass abandoned farmhouse. And people, smash the like button, leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and people, I'll see you at the next one. Peace.